Hi! In front of me is Nokia 230 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Menu and scroll down to Access Settings. In them, pick Display Size, click on Font Size, and select Perfect Font for messaging, contacts, and menu. You can select normal or large. So when I click on Choose and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!